Hello, I'm Chris Menard. In today's Outlook video, I'm going to cover a really cool feature called the Sweep feature. This feature is only available on Outlook on the web. You will not have this in your Outlook for the desktop, but I've got good news. Whatever you do with the Sweep feature on the web works on your Outlook on the desktop because they have to be in sync. So let's go ahead and take a look at this feature. Before I do this, I want to show you one little item. I'm already signed into Outlook on the web in my work account over here to the right. This also works in Outlook with your personal account. And one more item before we actually start. I went to settings and I'm searching. It says sweep rules. I want to point out I don't have any sweep rules right now. In fact, I don't have any rules at all. The sweep feature is a great way to keep your inbox organized and cleaned. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm in Outlook, I'm on the inbox. Doesn't matter whether you're running the focused inbox or not. I've got the focused inbox on. You won't see the word sweep until you select an email. So I'm gonna click on the email from Carol Wilson, and now there is sweep up at the top. When I click sweep, I'm going to get 4 options. I'm not going to do all 4. I'm going to do 2 because you can figure it out from there. Option 1 is move all messages from the inbox folder, but notice it's got Carol's email selected. Move to, you can move it to another folder. You can even go and create another folder. Someone's going to say, Chris, isn't that very similar to a rule? The answer is yes. How about this one here? Move them from the inbox and any future messages. So this is the first one I'm going to test. And then, just to show you this third one, I'm not testing this, but this is a cool one. Only leave the latest emails from Carol in the inbox. Move all the other ones. That would be this option. The other one I'm going to test is the 4th one. Do you subscribe to any advertisers? I'm making up names here, Office Depot, Best Buy, I don't care, Zillow for homes. Well, those ads that you get usually have an expiration. So this 4th one is really cool. You're keeping everything unless it's 10 days or older. Let's go ahead and test this first one here. I'm going to move this to a new folder, Carol. Future messages too. So here we go. I'm going to hit OK. That created what's called a sweep rule. This is also happening over on my desktop version of Outlook. I can hit View Rules here, or I could also come back up here to Settings and type in Sweep Rules. But look, Rules, Messages from Carol Wilson. So it actually made a rule, not a sweep rule. Real quick, I have no messages from Carol. Just to prove this works, I just pulled up Carol Wilson's Outlook. Carol is going to send me an email. That's enough. Send back to me. Inbox. Carol. Test to sweep. There it is. So that was move all future messages. Now the next one I wanted to show you is what happens with that 10-day rule. Really cool feature. I'm going to pick on this one right here. I get a lot of emails from Microsoft 365, but again, this could be someone you subscribe to for their ads. After a week, they're usually not any good, the ad. I'm not going to show you this, I have ads running back over a year. So here we go, sweep. It picked up the address. Move message older than 10 days, just to prove this. That's 11/21/2020. Now let's do it. Sorry about that. Where do you want to move them to? Hit OK. View rules. Now that created a sweep rule right there. I believe it is still working. Let's take a quick look. That was from Microsoft 365 Message Center. Microsoft. I know you love to watch me type. There you go. It is working. I swapped this from all up in the top left corner in case you didn't know that. Notice that. I went from all to just the inbox. Today is Sunday, January 31st. That stopped on 121. If I come over here, look, you know that 141 means I have 141 unread messages in there. So how about that? Let's go see now. So this is a great way to keep your inbox clean. Someone's going to say, Chris, that was great you did it Outlook on the web, but does it work with your desktop? You can't set this up on the desktop, and I already got my desktop running to show you this. I'm already in the same account, but look, there's that Carol folder that I made. There's my Microsoft 365 Messages folder that I made. So there you go. So you can't set it up on the desktop, but your Outlook needs to be in sync, so they keep it in sync. Anyway, that is all I have for you today. I appreciate your time. One easy note, back on my inbox, I have a lot of videos on Outlook on the web, including the snooze feature, including delay send. I'll put a link to those down below. If you have any questions about this sweep feature, which is really cool, great way to keep your inbox clean, please let me know. Feel free to subscribe, ring the bell, and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Thank you.